Guys, welcome back to my channel MiTutorials. I came across a user who's asking how to extract a pure number from a certain string. For example, I have taken one of the example from his data set over here, wherein I have this entire string over here, and the pure number begins with 57, goes on till the slash button over here. So let's start with this tutorial and learn how we can extract the PO number from this particular data string, right? Let's get started. So the first thing that we will have to identify is how and where this 57 number is beginning from, right? So let us use the search function within Excel, okay? And so when you open the bracket, it says find text, okay? I'm going to open the quotes here. I'm going to look for 57 because this is what we want to find, okay? I'm going to close the quotes followed by comma, and then it's asking us within text, which is going to be this for now, okay? And then it's asking us to enter the start number. From where do you actually start finding the 57 digit, right? So I'm going to say 1 because we need to find this from the beginning itself. Then I'm going to close the bracket and press enter. Now we've got the response or the answer as 15, right? Which is basically saying that the 15th word in this particular string is 57, okay? Now let us look at where the PO number is ending. For that, we will be using the search function again. Now we will look for slash, okay? Within the quotes, enter slash, comma. Within text is going to be this, okay, comma. Now in this case, if you enter 1, what happens? Right, so it is telling us 6 because the slash is repeating multiple times in this, right? So we will have to tell Excel that you will have to look for the slash after 57, which means that when you go back to this formula over here where we entered start number, here you need to enter 15, right? So I'm simply going to select this particular cell over here and press enter, which means that we've now got the location of the slash where the PO number is ending, which is at 22, okay? Now let's use another formula which is mid, okay? I'm going to be using the mid formula to extract the PO number from that string, okay? Now it's asking us to enter text. I will select this text, comma. My start number is going to be this, which is 15, okay? And then it's asking us how many characters do you want after 15? After you've searched for 57, how many characters do you want? So now here I'm going to say the end of slash minus 15. Okay, I'm going to close the bracket and press enter. We now have extracted just the PO from this particular string. Now we now have the formula in 3 different cells. This is basically, I wanted to explain how the formula works. That's why I have this in 3 different cells now. Let us combine this into one particular cell, right? So let us begin from here. Okay, I'm going to copy this formula over here, okay? And then wherever I selected L6 as an example, I'm going to replace that formula here with L6, okay? I'm going to press enter. The value still remains the same, which is 22, okay? And now what I'm going to do is, in this formula here, where I am saying I6, that will remain the same because that is the text value. Wherever I'm saying L6, that will get replaced by this formula, okay? L6 will get replaced by the formula over here. This L6 as well, okay? I'm going to press enter, and then we have L7. I'm going to copy this formula, okay, and then I'm going to replace the L7 with this formula over here. I'm going to press enter. Now I can get rid of these 2 columns over here. I now have one single cell, the entire formula in one single cell, extracting the PO number from a particular string. I hope this video has helped you. You've learned something new. Please, I make a lot of tutorials on Excel and Power BI on my channel. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more such tutorials.